All right, problem number 4, y equals cosine of 2 times parentheses x minus pi over 6. Okay, our amplitude is 1, our b equals 2. So just like in problem number 2, where we had the same b value, what this means is that the period is going to be pi. Our horizontal shift is pi over 6. Vertical shift is 0. Okay, because I am shifting over pi over 6 radians, let's scale the x-axis in increments of pi over 6. So pi over 6, 2 pi over 6, 3 pi over 6, 4 pi over 6. And just like in problem number 2, some of these fractions can be reduced. 2 pi over 6 reduces to pi over 3. 3 pi over 6 reduces to pi over 2. 4 pi over 6 reduces to 2 pi over 3, and so on and so forth. So I'm writing the next several increments of pi over 6 and know that I'm already simplifying them. And if you're wondering where you can get these values, they are just the angles on your unit circle in radians. Okay, there we go. 0 to 2 pi. My amplitude is 1, and there is no vertical shift, so I'm going to scale from -1 to +1 on the y-axis. The midline is at 0. Horizontal shift, we're starting at pi over 6. My period is pi, so my cycle is going to start at pi over 6 and end at 7 pi over 6. Notice if I drag this curly bracket over to the x-axis, that length is just 0 to pi. Okay, the length of this cycle is going to be pi, but I am shifting it, so the cycle is going to start at pi over 6 and end at 7 pi over 6. Okay, and one more thing, this is cosine. So my cycle is going to look like that instead of this. So I am going to be starting this up here. Okay, there's our graph. Notice we've got the right horizontal shift. Okay, we are starting pi over 6 units to the right. Our midline's correct. Our amplitude is 1. Our period is pi. I'm just going to add some arrows here. You can keep this cycle going if you want to. But there is our graph for number 4.